Hi everyone, Pauline here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful sourdough bread, and we'll be using the Dualit hand mixer. Comes with 3 attachments. Now you've got your dough blades here, which are in here at the moment. You've got a whisk attachment, which is great for your meringues and thickening your cream, and also flat beaters. We're making sourdough bread, so how does it work and what does it actually do? Flour and water. When grains are milled down to make flour and it's then added to water, it creates a yeast. The more flour and water you add to that mixture, the more concentrated the yeast becomes, and it produces carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide gas then strengthens the more you add to the mixture every single day, and that helps with, when you add it to dough, it helps to the rising of the dough. Also you get lactic acid, which is great for the flavour and also lengthening the life of your bread. In here I've got 50 grams of flour, and that just goes in the bowl. And I've got 50 ml of water, so exactly the same, and just pour that in, and it's warm water, and just give that a stir until it's all combined. And then we cover the bowl and keep in a warm place. Now it must be kept constantly warm, and you'll find that it will nicely rise every single day. So now we're going to make the sourdough bread. In here I have 3 large tablespoons, about 200 ml of my starter. You can see there. I've got 500 grams of strong bread flour, and I've already put a teaspoon of salt in there. I usually put around 300 ml in. If you need more, then add more. If you don't need it anymore, then just don't do it. Yeah, I'm just going to pour my warm water, and I want to dissolve this starter to get it into a yeasty liquid. So now we're going to add our flour and just put it all in. And this will make a nice 2-pound loaf. And just carry on mixing until it's all combined. Now I'm going to add some more water because it needs some more, just a little bit at a time. And you only need to use this for the initial mix. Once it's all mixed up, and you can see now it's all come together, and that's it, done. And just place it on a floured surface, and here you have your dough. And be gentle with it, but just turn, pull and turn in, pull and turn in. So carry on kneading the dough. Now I've got a nice cake scraper here that helps me knead the dough. That's all done. What I've got here is a bowl, and I've put some oil in just to stop the dough from sticking, and just rub that around, just make sure you've got some on top, and that just pops in there. We're going to cover that with some cling film, and again keep it in a nice warm place for it to rise. So now we're going to do our second kneading, and I'm making this in a tin. Now this is a simplified version. Traditionally you'd make it in a crock pot, you'd cover the lid and you do it this way. You can just cut through the sides to give it a bit of shape, and I can do that with a scissors because it's very difficult to do with a knife. Put it in a preheated oven, make sure the oven's nice and hot. Start it on 250 if you like, and then turn the oven down to 230 and put your bread in, usually for around 35 to 40 minutes in the tin. So just keep an eye on it, and the bottom should be nice and hollow, and that should tell you when it's done. My sourdough bread has been baked, it's ready. I've sliced, and you can see it's a lovely texture. So I'm going to toast these. Just put these in my light toaster. Now the light toaster has extra wide slots. Toast is done. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Now there's nothing I like better than to have lashings and lashings of butter on my sourdough and some jam. That is going to taste really nice with my cup of tea. So please, for this recipe, go to our Dualit website. There's lots more recipes you'll find on there, and what to do with your sourdough starters. And please visit our website for all our product information, and don't forget to hashtag Better with Dualit. Thank you for watching.